All right, everybody, it's Campin' Randy here, RidgelineStore.com. This just came in the mail today from Nolo Designs. It's the limited edition Ridgeline Store front skid plate for 2016 to 2022 Ridgeline, as well as the Passport. Let's check it out.
So this is going to be powder coated in rail or raw, RAL 3003 ruby red. Look at that. Oop, I have some gunshots. Just kidding, that's a bubble.
Bubble wrap. All right, get close, Chico. Look at this. Oh, what do you think of the color? Look at that. Look at that. Look at the reflection on that. They did a great job. So I was talking to Ian the other day, and I showed him my original skid plate, one of the first ones he ever made, and it is literally bent and hit so hard that all of these are no longer straight. Like, they wave, there's dents. I mean, look. Oh my gosh, Ian, this is so straight. I'm not used to this. All right, we'll do another installation video to update the one we already have online. But yeah, I only have a couple more of these left. So RidgelineStore.com, limited edition Ridgeline and Passport skid plates in RAL 3003 ruby red. And we also have the limited edition lift kits that HRG Engineering is building for us that is in the same color. So I'm going to start branding the Ridgeline Store stuff in this color because it is just amazing. All right, enjoy the adventures.